Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, please make yourself welcome and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. So I'll start off by washing off my rice, and I want to make sure it gets to the point where I get clean and clear water from it. It took off about 6 times of washing to have gotten that result. Okay guys, so I know we are trying to cook on a budget, but there are some things you just cannot neglect, and one of those things would be your chicken stock. So you want to make sure your chicken stock is as concentrated as possible. That's to say, you have to season it properly. So I love using curry masala because it comes with some extra spices that takes your food to the next level. What I'm going to do right now is to season my veggies, and I'm doing this so that it improves the taste of our fried rice. At the end of the day, you don't want your vegetables sucking out or absorbing some of the taste on your in your fried rice, so you want to season them so it rather enhances the taste of your fried rice at the end of the process. So guys, this recipe is actually for Remy from Sweden. She requested for fried rice recipe. So Remy, this is for you. So I'm just going to go ahead to fry the washed rice. This should take about 5 to 6 minutes. You want to make sure you're frying, then it changes the game of your fried rice. You want to make sure that your chicken stock is just slightly above your rice. You don't want that water to be too much, and then go ahead to lock up the heat using a towel or a paper bag or whatever you have that could actually trap the heat within the pot. So guys, if you love my recipes, if you're enjoying this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so I know you are actually enjoying what I'm giving up to you. Don't forget to put on the notification bell so you get notified when next I release a new video. I release recipes at least 3 times a week, so you want to get updated on all my recipes. Now someone might ask, okay Irene, this is cooking on a budget, how come you are adding all these things? Some persons actually think that fried rice is rice colored yellow. It's far from that. You cannot eliminate your veggies from fried rice, and you cannot eliminate your stock. It could be stock from your meat or chicken, whatever it is, but there must be stock and there must be veggies. So guys, I hope you enjoyed these recipes. Remember, if you don't have money to buy all the shrimps, the sausage and all the plenty things that comes with fried rice, just use this and you'll be good to go. This recipe was so delicious. So see you next time. Bye.